Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. And today, I'm going to be teaching you my green triangle slack trick. That was it, and now let's go to the tutorial. One quick thing, I'm going to be doing a giveaway of 3 random t-shirts. One is a Supernova t-shirt, one is a Skyhawk t-shirt, and one is a Starlite t-shirt. And they're all yo-yoing shirts, so stay till the end of the video for more information. So, this is a really easy trick. You have to kind of know the Yo-Yo Joe 1 slack combo, because that is the ending part of the trick. That. Get into your undermount, and some people when they get into their undermount, they drop. You don't want to drop. What you want to do is keep it on your finger like that, not like that, just put it on your finger. And you're going to pass it over to the side. And then you have this loop on your pointer finger of your non-dominant hand. You're going to open that up like a triangle, so it's like a rock the baby in a cradle kind of thing. And then the cool part is if you can land it in that. But if you land it on the front string like that, it's the same deal, but it just looks cooler if you can land it inside that triangle. This will be a knot if you drop it from this point, so be careful. You pass it over, open the loop up, toss the yo-yo through it, and then you can drop that off your yo-yoing hand and close the loop. And then from here, grab the looped string and kind of do a ninja vanish motion. So you're basically, the string on the bearing right now, you're taking off and whipping it around so another one hits the bearing. It's kind of just like something that if you do it, it works. But if you don't, it's weird. And if you don't know the trick Ninja Vanish, go learn it, because you need to know it for this trick. Okay, now for the giveaway. What you're going to want to do for the giveaway is you have to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and next Tuesday I'm going to pick a winner. And then when you subscribe and like, then you have to go down to the comments and say done. And yes, I can check if you subscribe, so make sure you don't just say done, because that would be really disappointing for me to choose your name and you not be able to actually get the shirt. So make sure you hit subscribe, like, and go to the comments and say done. I will choose a winner next Tuesday. Thank you all for watching the video, and see you in the next one.
I'm